An HVAC tech climbs an icy driveway in a snowstorm to save this family. KitKat gives the following review for Dilling Heating and Cooling Review in Bensalem, Pennsylvania. KitKat says, I found Dilling a couple years ago. We can always depend on them to get us through emergency situations. They are pretty much family. I highly recommend Pasha. They always go over and beyond to make sure we have everything we need. There was a crazy amount of icy snow outside, but that didn't stop Pasha from ice climbing up our driveway like a champ to save us from freezing to death. LOL. They even had videos to help explain the more complicated processes, which I really appreciated. Shout out to John, always just a phone call away providing incredible support to everyone in need. We appreciate you.